The evolution of food, good or bad. Hi, I'm Jackson Hicken. I got this idea when I wanted to make some pancakes, and I read the ingredients out of curiosity. And the first thing I noticed was I couldn't read most of it. I'm guessing none of you know what thiamine monotrate is, or how to pronounce that. But I went and talked to my mom and found out that pancakes were simple to make, but not simple in ingredients. Food today is processed. Is that good or bad? The truth is, it's both. Well, kind of. Processed foods can mean two things. It can mean stuff like bag salad, where it is already made for you, or it can mean the food itself is modified. But processed foods aren't the only thing. There is also additives. What are additives? Take artificial colors and flavors, for example. Artificial colors and flavors are made to make stuff like airheads taste more like fruit and look more like fruit colors. Does this look like a fruit color? I don't think I've ever seen a fruit like that before. According to the American Academy of Pediatrics, some additives like sodium benzoate, an additive mainly used in stuff like soda or pickles, can cause hyperactivity in kids. And that makes a lot of sense when you think about it. The American Academy of Pediatrics also said some additives can interfere with the child's hormones, growth, and development. Tony Horton, a leading fitness instructor, said, "Stop eating dead foods, junk, fried, and fast foods, as well as processed carbs. They're loaded with sugar and other additives. The more live foods we eat, like fruits and vegetables, the more alive we feel. The more dead foods we eat, well, you get the idea." I did more research and found an article by Sarah Novak, a health reporter and journalist, that said, processed foods often contain sugar or worse, high fructose corn syrup. Both are a nasty use of calories that deplete your body of nutrients. But high fructose corn syrup actually makes it so you can't stop eating. Consumption of high fructose corn syrup slows the release of leptin, the hormone in your body that tells you when you're full. Basically, you can't stop eating until it's too late. But that's a lot of good stuff. What about the bad stuff? In my research, I found experts that explained some of the advantages of additives, like making things taste better, making things look better, adding nutritional value, improving texture, making things last longer, making kids and probably adults get confused when you read them on ingredient labels. But back to my original question, is the evolution of food good or bad? It depends on the people you talk to and the food you're talking about. But I think I'll leave that up to you. And when you eat that delicious pumpkin pie you've been wanting, think of what's inside. The end.